Hey guys, welcome back. So OnePlus 10 series is going to launch earlier than expected, and we can see 3 upcoming devices from OnePlus this time: OnePlus 10R, OnePlus 10 and OnePlus 10 Pro. The Pro variant will get the massive changes in design as well as in the performance over the last gen OnePlus 9 Pro. We have some crazy new updates regarding the OnePlus 10 Pro's features, and in this video we will talk about the launch month of the phone. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure to subscribe to get daily new updates and give a like if you enjoy watching this video. Now, starting off with the display, some reports have suggested that the phone might come with an upgraded E5 AMOLED panel by Samsung, and this is an LTPO display with variable refresh rate, which means it will consume less power than the regular 120Hz display. It will be a 6.7-inch big curved panel with 2K resolution like we have seen on the OnePlus 9 Pro, so the display will be the best in the market right now. Talking about the performance, OnePlus might use the latest upcoming high-end CPU from Qualcomm Snapdragon 898. This chipset is based on 4nm fabrication, which means less power consumption and less heat generation. OnePlus 10 Pro will provide best of the best experience in the gaming section because the Snapdragon 898 will use Adreno 730 GPU, and Qualcomm has jumped from Adreno 600 series to 700 series GPU, so it can be assumed that the phone can handle heavy games pretty easily. On the other hand, the smartphone have a triple camera setup on the back in square type camera housing, and this time it is getting a new 13 megapixel periscope zoom lens which can achieve up to 5x lossless zoom. The primary shooter will be a 108 megapixel sensor with optical image stabilization, and third sensor will be a 50 megapixel ultra wide like we have on the OnePlus 9 Pro. On the front of the phone, 16 megapixel bionic selfie shooter might be used in a tiny punch hole cutout. So this time Hasselblad is not only helping to improve the color accuracy, but they are also helping OnePlus in the camera hardware. So it looks like OnePlus is really stepping up their game for the premium flagship market, but to see the actual performance of the phone, we have to wait until the last week of January 2022. Yeah guys, OnePlus is planning to launch these devices as soon as possible in Jan last week or in the first week of Feb. So that's all guys. Do let me know in the comment section your thoughts about the OnePlus 10 Pro, and if you end up liking this video, then do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for regular daily tech updates. I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, peace out.